Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Unboxing, and today we will be unboxing the new Casio G-SHOCK that I recently bought. So guys, as you can see here, this is the box. So on the top it says it has water resistance till 20 bar. It has G-SHOCK written here since 1983, and it's shock resistant too. And you can see the G-SHOCK logo over here. It says G-SHOCK. You can see the barcode and some stuff written in Japanese or Chinese or whatever it is built. So guys, let's open this up. So guys, as you can see here, you get a booklet that says G-SHOCK on it, and it's an international warranty card. So yeah, this is the booklet. So guys, let's see the watch. So guys, you can see this is the international warranty card, and I actually got this in Singapore. So I don't want to turn it around because the warranty number is there. So guys, this is the tin the box comes in. It's almost like the front of the box, like it's this exact same thing. So there's nothing on the side. Yeah, there's a G-SHOCK logo over here. It says the model number over here. So yeah, let's unbox this G-SHOCK. 1 second. So guys, it comes wrapped in a plastic, so let's remove it. So guys, you can see the watch over here. It comes like this. So guys, this is the watch. So as you can see here, it tells the time. It's Saturday at 12:35. This is the time I'm recording it actually. So yeah, let's just remove this. As you can see here, it shows the G-SHOCK logo. It says shock resist. It tells the model number somewhere here. And yeah, so this is how the auto light works. You hold the reverse button, as you can see here, and then hold it, and then when you face it up to you can see the light. So you can see the small details over here. It says G-SHOCK protection. So there are four buttons. It says adjust, mode, forward and reverse. So guys, let's see. Let's turn off the auto light first. So guys, I think this is the stopwatch or the timer. I really don't know. And yeah. So guys, this is the world time. So right now, I think that's Dubai. So I don't know what these countries are. That's Delhi. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. And yeah, so guys, subscribe to my channel, as I'll be doing a giveaway when I get like 100 subscribers. I'll be giving away a pair of Skull Candy earphones. So stay tuned, smash the like button and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release a new video. So that's all for today, and I hope I see you next time. Bye.